18 years of service, Filipino frontliner has died after contracting COVID-19 in London. A 60-year-old Filipina nurse, Melujan Ballesteros, who is originally from the Philippines, died at St. Mary's Hospital in Paddington, London, on Sunday, just 2 days after being admitted. A spokesman for Imperial College Healthcare NHS Trust, which runs St. Mary's Hospital in Pred Street, said, "We are very sad to confirm the death of one of our nurses, Melujan Ballesteros, who worked at St. Mary's Hospital from 2002. Melujan was well known across the hospital for her kindness and compassion. She made a big impact on the lives of her colleagues as well as her patients. She will be greatly missed. We are in touch with next of kin and are focusing on support for them as well as for colleagues at this very difficult time." A Commons Library report published last year found that more than 18,000 Filipinos work in the NHS, third only to the numbers from Britain and India. Philippine Ambassador Antonio Lagdamio said, "Filipino health workers have served tirelessly and courageously at the front lines of the war against this pandemic, and their contribution to the ongoing effort to save lives is nothing but immense. My mom is a dedicated and very caring nurse. She started her career in the UK in 2003. She loved her work as a nurse," said by his 37-year-old son, Rainier, while speaking to PA News Agency. His mother had a fever and cough in mid-March and self-isolated for 9 days. But on Friday, they convinced her to visit the hospital due to her worsening condition, and so she was picked up by ambulance and was admitted. She died 2 days later. A GoFundMe page was created by colleague Faz Gulu, lead nurse at St. Mary's Hospital, to help raise funds for funeral costs. In a touching tribute, Ms. Gulu wrote, "Melujan was a kind-hearted person who dedicated her life to her profession as a nurse. She always had a smile and she never complained about anything." The page reads, "In her memory, we would like your kind and generous donations to allow us to give the best goodbye to one of our NHS heroes, with pride and honor in the great work she has done." It adds, "We say goodbye to her today but we will never forget about her and all the little things that were unique to her, like her cheesecake, her food, her smile, her generosity, her hard work, her kindness, her humbleness, her tenacity, her support and many other countless talents that she had." So far, £5,245 has been raised to give the hero nurse the send-off she deserves.